The birthday list begins with a patriotic Emma Rios, who's celebrating her 7th birthday. Emma, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, kiddo. She's in McCune.
Up next, we have Caitlyn Phillips, also turning 7 in Riverton. So happy birthday, Caitlyn.
Our trip to the DMV is in store as Jacob Lansdowne go make the license official, celebrating the big number 16. Jacob, happy birthday in Carthage.
Also out of Carthage, we have Aiden No turning 17 years old. Happy birthday, Aiden.
Run out to Lamar, and that's where Julie Cox is celebrating her 53rd birthday. Happy birthday, Julie.
Next, out of Pittsburgh,
there she is.
Becca Sandberg. Happy birthday, Becca.
Miss Becca, a very happy birthday to you, ma'am. Miss seeing you all the time. She's a marvelous, marvelous person right there. She takes care of a lot of people. A lot of people. Happy birthday, Becca. Chuck and Sandy Stanley, they are celebrating their 53rd anniversary. They are out there at Crawford State Park. And Chuck and Sandy, I hope that you get some serious time outside, especially with the great temperatures we're going to have middle of the week out there in Farlington. And congratulations to you.
Up next, we have Heather Marsh.
Who that is?
Turning 42, and fun fact, she's actually our assignment editor, Stephanie Marsh's older sister.
She's extended KOAM family. Happy birthday, Heather. Megan Hess is turning 22. Happy birthday to Megan. William Best turning 18, and William, I want you to know the birthday wish is coming with love from Dad. And Octava Lehman, now 27. Octava celebrating in Frontenac.
We have an anniversary, Bill and R.G. Hickman. They're celebrating their 64th out of Deerfield, and Bill is also one of our many 4-state heroes, and also celebrated a birthday last week.
It's busy in the Hickman household now. Tell you what. Jem and Brenda Armstrong, they are celebrating their 19th anniversary in Moran. And Jim and Karen Vaughn, 51st anniversary. Congratulations, Jim and Karen. They are in Crestline.
Next, we have Brenda Martin, out of Columbus, turning 77 years old. We have Krista McFarlane, out of Columbus again, turning 54. And last but certainly not least, we have Christian Lee Berknecht. He turns 16 on Friday, and he has love from Grandma Diane and his whole family.
And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this March the 15th. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here is Bronte Sorosky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And you can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.